if you are planning to retire this year or move in here in the South, this is your chance. Watch this video para mapakita ko sa inyo why you should invest here in Trava. Trava is a part of a 400 hectares master plan development. So, if you are familiar with Arcadia, Laguna Central, and Paseo Outlet Mall, so it's a part of Greenfield City. So, kung sino yung nag-develop nung commercial developments na na-mention ko is the same developer ng residential development inside ng Greenfield City. So, ang kagandahan, aside from Trava, napapaligiran tayo ng iba't ibang premium development. And aside from Trava, GDC also developed Pramana Residential Park, which is the first residential park in the Philippines. Siya din yung nag-develop ng Solen Residences, wherein kung makikita nyo yung area, the community itself here in Greenfield is more greenery and open space. So, yung mga clients natin from other cities, other places, nagugulat sila dahil napakarami pang puno at halaman dito sa area. So, mas magugulat kayo dahil inside the village is marami ding puno't halaman. So, Trava has a 34 hectares development wherein 45% of it is dedicated for open space and parks. While yung around 2 hectares natin is dedicated for the clubhouse. So, inside ng clubhouse, of course, meron tayong function hall, we have a function room, meron tayong play area, we have a gym, and of course, hindi mawawala yung swimming pool. It has a kids pool and also lap pool. So, meron din tayong overlooking view ng greeneries from our pool area. Our main clubhouse can accommodate at least 200 guests. So, perfect siya sa mga clients natin na nakapag-invest na here in Trava. So, kung ayaw nyo nang lumayo pa, less hassle, pwede tayo mag-cater ng event sa ating mismong clubhouse. And at the same time, na-mention ko nga na napapaligiran tayo ng iba't ibang premium development. So, aside from the existing horizontal development in Greenfield City, of course, meron din tayong vertical development which is Zadia. Ito naman yung mid-rise condominium na ino-offer natin in the area. So, meron na tayong ready for occupancy. We have pre-selling. Right now, ongoing yung construction ng ating Tower 4. By the time na makomplete siya, magkakaroon tayo ng total of 5 towers. So, having said na napapaligiran tayo ng iba't ibang premium development, napapaligiran din tayo ng iba't ibang master plan development developed by well-known and prestigious na developer. So, sa kabilang side ng Greenfield, nandyan si Eton City, wherein meron silang iba't ibang residential development katulad ng Riverbend, South Lake Village, West Wing, and Tierra Bella. So, if you're also familiar with Eton Square, ayan, part siya ng Eton City. So, sa kabilang side naman, after ng Santa Elena, we have the Nuvali, which is the largest eco-city developed by Ayala Land. So, inside ng Nuvali, meron siya iba't ibang villages developed by Ayala and its subsidiary company. So, Ayala Land Premier, Alveo, Avida, and also Amaya. So, syempre, malapit lang din tayo, close proximity lang din tayo sa another master plan development which is South Forbes by Cathay Land. So, dyan natin makikita yung the mansions, villas, at marami pang iba. So, basically, when it comes to safety and security, hindi ka mag-aalala dahil yung mga nakapaligid sa atin, yung neighborhood na villages natin are also premium development. So, sa likod natin, likurang part ng Trava, nandyan na yung Augusta Village. It's not a master plan development pero still a premium development. So sa kabilang side naman, kapitbahay lang natin is Pramana, which is also developed by Greenfield Development Corporation. And if you are planning to invest right now, our starting price is 27.173 million for 597 square meters. It's a perimeter lot. Pero if you want an inner lot, the starting price is 28.140 million, and that's 552 square meters. So meron tayong mga lot na available na mas maliit siya pero mas mataas yung price. Meron din namang mas malaki pero mas maliit yung price. So that varies depending on the lot classification. Lalo na kung nasa inner lot ka ba, perimeter lot, and mga lote na malapit lang sa ating amenities. And ngayon, magkakaroon lang tayo ng very quick house tour sa ating ground floor. Tara! And let's start our house tour. So, una pa lang bubungad na sa atin yung ating tall wooden door na merong metal handle and also smart door lock na included. So, this is our foyer. So, as you can see, napaka-spacious niya. And ito yung ating stairs that will lead us to the second floor. So, ayan, as you can see, napakaganda nung pagkaka-design. Yung usual na bahay na merong mga 150 square meters na sukat, or 150 to 200 square meters na sukat, is naglalagay sila ng storage dito sa ilalim para ma-maximize yung space. Pero dito, no need na siya. So, ang kagandahan, if you want na maglagay ng aquarium o kaya indoor landscape, pwedeng-pwede siya dito sa ilalim ng ating hagdanan. And etong area na to, if you want, pwede pa tayo maglagay dito ng maliit na piano. So, yung storage natin is, ayan, nandito siya sa side. Ayan, enough naman yung, hindi ko na siya ipapakita, pero enough naman yung space niya para makapaglagay ng maraming gamit. And this one will lead us to our first bedroom. So, meron na tayong built-in cabinet, meron tayong queen size bed, and as you can see, meron pa siyang dalawang side table. So, if gusto mo ng king size bed o kaya naman is magpa-customize ng bed for a family, definitely kasyang-kasya siya. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung ating ensuite toilet and bath. So, here's sa ating ensuite toilet and bath. Ayan, para lang makita nyo. Enough yung space niya. Meron na tayong enclosed shower area and complete fixtures na din with toilet, lavatory, and meron na rin tayo naka-install na window. So, another good thing dito, ayan, magkabilang side nung bed natin is meron siyang window wherein pwede natin i-open itong kabilang side. And at the same time, ayan, pwede nating lagyan ng screen window para walang pumapasok na insekto. So, ang pinapakita ko sa inyo right now is just an idea kung ano yung possible na maging outcome ng bahay na ipapatayo mo here in Traba. But no need for you to copy the exact layout na ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, at ang kagandahan is you still have a freedom para i-design yung inyong property as long as ipa-follow natin yung architectural theme here in Traba, which is a modern Asian architecture. Now, let's check our living area. So, this space is, so itong space na to, meron tayong double high ceiling as you can see, and itong isa, meron na tayong glass partition wall. And ang kagandahan dito, in case marami kang visitor and ayaw nyong makaistorbo dun sa other family members dito sa bahay, ayan, pwede natin i-close to para magkaroon ng privacy, and at the same time, malilesen yung noise na lumalabas. So, ayan, as you can see, very spacious. Meron pa tayo ditong L-shaped na couch and additional chairs dito sa ating side. Ito naman is our powder room. Ayan, para sa ating guests. And surprisingly, we have an elevator. So, perfect tong elevator para dito sa mag-i-stay sa bedroom natin sa ground floor. So, yung room natin sa baba, pwede siyang guest room or elders room para at least hindi na sila may hirapan pumunta sa kitchen area, sa living, and sa dining area. Now, let's check our kitchen area. So, as you can see, very spacious yung ating kitchen area. Meron tayo ditong double sink sa ating kitchen island. This also serves as our breakfast nook. So, pag magpe-prepare tayo ng breakfast, ayan, pwedeng dito na sila kakain, pwede na rin ditong mag-coffee. And ayan, as you can see, meron na tayo ditong built-in appliances. We have an oven and microwave, and meron na din tayo ditong 3-door fridge. So, as you can see, ayan, very neat and pinag-isipan din yung mismong design ng ating kitchen. So, para doon sa mga clients natin na minimalist, ayaw ng masyadong maraming gamit na nakalagay sa kitchen, at least to, ayan, yung mga condiments, yung mga containers, jars, ayan, pwedeng itago na lang natin dun sa ating cabinet. So, it also comes with a built-in induction cooker with range hood, especially if mausok yung lulutuin natin. Pero, most of our clients, kahit meron silang ganito kagandang kitchen, bihira lang talaga nila ginagamit. That's why, meron pa tayo ditong auxiliary kitchen or daily kitchen. Also known as dirty kitchen. Pero hindi naman siya literally dirty. So, ang kagandahan kapag meron tayong gantong kitchen is kapag magluluto tayo ng fresh meat, fish, ayan, 'di ba medyo may amoy siya. So, at least, iko-close lang natin 'tong door. Hindi na siya maaamoy dun sa ating living and dining area. Kasi ayan, meron naman tayo ditong windows para at least malilesen yung amoy dito sa ating auxiliary kitchen. So, itong ating auxiliary kitchen is para lang siyang regular kitchen sa isang household. Ayan, complete din siya with oven, induction cooker, and also meron na rin tayong range hood, our double sink, and ayan, meron na din tayong mga installed cabinets. Plus, this one, ito yung access natin going to our service area and also our helper's quarter. Pero hindi ko na siya ipapakita. So for now, hindi ko na muna ipapakita yung ating second floor. Check nyo na lang po yung previous videos na in-upload natin para makita nyo yung ganda ng ating second floor and makita nyo rin yung different rooms. Pero for now, ayan, check natin yung ating backyard or our patio area. Ayan, as you can see, ayan, perfect siya para sa mga clients na mahilig mag-host ng parties at home. So, ayan, meron tayong ample space here. Pwede rin siyang family area. Napakalawak pa ng ating open area. If you want, pwede tayo dyang maglagay ng mini playground. Lalo na kung meron kayong kasamang mga anak or apo sa bahay. So, pwede rin kayong mag-barbecue party if you want to. And this one is our dining area. So, sa dining area natin, as you can see, meron na din tayong drop ceiling na nakapagpaad ng magandang ambience. Drop ceiling with cove lights. Ito yung ating modern chandelier. So, enough yung space niya for our 8-seater na dining table. But since open naman tong area na to, pwede natin siyang pagpalitin. Doon natin ilagay yung ating dining area, and dito naman yung ating living area. But again, it's totally up to you on how you are going to design the interior. So, katulad nga nung na-mention ko, you are not necessarily required na gayahin yung mismong layout na meron tayo sa ating model unit. So, here in Trava, since it is a premium development, hindi ka required or hindi ka matatali sa isang specific na model unit. So, itong ating Locsin Model 1, basically binibigyan lang kayo ng idea kung ano yung possible na kalabasan ng property na ipatatayo nyo here in Trava. So, the whole Trava development is designed by Leandro V. Locsin and Partners. So, Leandro V. Locsin is our national artist for architecture. Kaya kung makikita nyo, bawat sulok ng bahay, pinag-isipan talaga siya. And check naman natin yung pinakang facade ng ating property. So, here naman sa ating facade, so as you can see, napakalaki nung space natin for a carport. So, kung makikita nyo dito, meron nakapark na car. So, basically, around 8 cars is magkakasya dito sa ating facade, and meron pa tayong enough space dito sa gitnang part. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, both sides natin is meron tayong enough setback. So, access din natin yan going to our, this one is our access going to our patio dun sa may likod na part. And this one, ito yung magiging access natin going to the service area and our helper's quarter or driver's quarter, and papunta din dun sa ating patio sa likod na part. And that's it for today's video. So again, if you are a retiree, someone from Metro Manila planning to move here in the South, o di kaya is isa kang OFW or investor, nakita nyo naman on this video why Trava is ideal and bakit dapat kayong mag-invest right now. So if you are planning na mag-site visit, you can contact me at 63965-0759-571 through iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp. See you all!